Hello everyone, my name is Cap and welcome back to the channel, and we are doing another snack crate unboxing. Of course, I got my best buddy here like last time. Had a really good positive review from you guys on the last video and truly do appreciate that. So we got the newest one coming in here. So let's get this bad boy opened up and see what's inside. Okay, alright, so this month's snack crate is from Sweden. That's going to be some pretty cool stuff, man. I don't know a whole lot about Sweden, but this book's got a bunch of information about it. So I'm hoping to get some really cool stuff in here, but I'm really hoping that I can pronounce the stuff that's in here, because I know they don't use all English in their language and their words. So we'll just have to see what we can come across here. So let's see what's inside, shall we?
Sure.
Got the Swedish flag cross. Navy blue and yellowish. Alright, let's see what we got. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Gotten
Super Sir. I'm guessing that's supposed to be super sour. Super sour. What does that look like?
It's gotten bland. It looks like little, sour.
Let's just see what it actually says it is here. Gotten and Bilar. Doesn't say specifically what that one is. Oh, it's potently sour gummy candies and colorful mixes, shapes, and size. Okay, so it's kind of like the gummy worms or gummy sours, stuff like we have here. These are pretty good. Now, here's just how sour theirs actually is here. So we'll see how actual sour that is here. We got our monthly soda. I wonder what flavor this one's monthly. I'm guessing it probably has some orange in it. Okay, this one's a blend of orange and apple. So that one's a little bit different than the last one.
I love popping these things.
It's a little poppy paper. I like that. You can go to town on that. We'll look them up. We got some chips here. OLW. There's no way I can pronounce that properly here. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce. Oh. Trying to pronounce that word right there.
Fred Guzmans.
It looks like there should be some more vowels in that word than there actually is. Let's see what these actually are here. These are old grilled chips. The crispy, rich potato chips flavored with salt and onion. Oh, okay. That's super good.
There's Bilar.
Bilar? Accidentally created in 1953 to attempt to produce marshmallows, light and chewy candies molded in the shapes of little cars. Ooh.
They don't look like cars.
They look like a car? Like, see a little car there?
Oh!
Alright, what else we got here? What are these? Bjornar Sura. That looks something else sour. I'm guessing Sura means sour. Let's see. Grumpy green bear, little packaging. Sweet and sour bear shaped gummies.
Wait,
more
what?
sour. Look at me.
I swear
That's cute.
on the back it was green and now it's red.
Green on the front, red on the back.
Oh, wow.
This is more sour stuff, so we'll see how sour these are.
I don't like sour stuff.
Alright, I'm going to absolutely butcher the name of this one right up here.
Let me see. Let me try it.
Alright, you try it first, see if you can get that.
I'm guessing the D silent.
Probably.
Junglavera.
I'm going to say it's Jungelvral, if I'm saying that correctly. I don't know. What are these things? It's got a monkey on the front. It says, we have no idea why these salty licorice bites are popular, but they are a beloved Swedish snack. Licorice, huh? Well, I'm not a biggest fan of black licorice, but we'll see what kind of licorice it is. Okay. Ooh, is that an Oreo bar? Marabou chocolate filled with chocolate and vanilla cream. Absolutely, we're gonna have a go on one of those bad boys.
Yeah, definitely. What are these
What are those? How many? We got 3 of those. What are those things?
Little devils.
What are they called? And let me see.
They're called
banana skids. Banana skids. Chewy, stretchy taffy with a taste of banana and toffee. Ooh, nice.
If you don't know, I love banana bites.
I like banana too. Kex. Okay, we can probably pronounce
I
that
got
one
2
properly.
Kexes.
We got 2 Kexes. Nice. All right, what is this? This is a tarragona. What's tarragona? Roasted hazelnut mixed with creamy milk chocolate. Perfect blend of crunch and sweetness. I love this kind of stuff right here. See? All right, what is it?
I got some Dame. Don't know what that is. Just so you know.
Dame? Originally known as Dame with a, I don't know, D-A-J-M. I'm assuming the J would be silent in this one here. Let's see, it's crunchy almond caramel covered with rich milk chocolate. That sounds delicious. All right, what do we got here? Doomle snacks? Dumle? Doomle? Let's see, I'm not sure what these are actually. Let's see, where is this one listed here? Combination of foamed caramel mixed with crispy rice and covered in milk chocolate. Oh, that sounds pretty good. I like
This next one is probably gonna be the best one.
What's it?
Nougat.
Nougat! Light and softy nougat combined with a layer of dark hazelnut nougat to create a decadent chocolate snack. Awesome. Okay, let's put this clean over here and we'll just jump in.
I know what I want to do first.
What do you want to do first? We have to do some of the sour on camera because if it's really sour, then of
Let's
course
say the sour
we'll
one
do
for
the,
the end.
you know, the pucker face. All right. So which one should we do first?
I want to do the.
You want to go with the little marshmallow cars?
Yeah.
Bylar? I'm guessing it's Bylar. Could be
Or
Bylar.
like Bilar.
Could be. Usually that would have like 2 L's. Could be Bylar.
Maybe over there they say it really quickly, like Blar. Blar.
That very well could be. I don't know. If there's anybody from Sweden or who speaks Swedish that was watching this, we're sorry we're butchering your language. We're not doing it intentionally. Okay, so this one, I got a little pink car.
They're like.
That's pretty good. It's like fruity. Like a fruity marshmallow. It tastes like a, what is that? You don't like it? You can go spit it out if you need to. I'm gonna have another one. These are delicious. At least the pink one was. Maybe you got one that's not so good. Let me try a green one. No, green one's pretty good too. Not a fan, huh? All right, now what are we doing?
Let's do the Taringi.
The what?
The Taringano?
I'm guessing Tarragona?
They should like put on the box how to pronounce it.
Well, I think it probably is how to pronounce it, but like I said, it's in Swedish, so who knows?
Ooh.
This
There's
is
one for me and one for
roasted
you.
hazelnuts. Nice. Break off a square. Break off one for
This
me,
one?
I'll break off one for you. There we go. Roasted hazelnut, creamy milk chocolate.
Alright, I'll go first.
All right.
We go back and forth.
There. Mmm. Oh, it's delicious.
It tastes like Hershey's. I'll take that.
You'll handle that one for me? I'm gonna keep it in your warm hands and it'll turn into melted milk chocolate. Alright, what are we gonna do next?
You choose.
Let's try the chips. Chips are always nice to try on here. So these are the grill, the old. I know I'm ruining that. Either the L or the W has got to be silent because those two don't even go together. So old.
I think it's like, oh wow.
Truly don't know. They might have
I'll
their
take the first one.
Go for it. Get you some. So these are, what did I say they were? Salt and onion.
Mmm. Oh. They are really good.
Oh, those are delicious.
They kind
It's just like sour cream and onion. I'm pretty sure that's exactly what that is. Sour cream and onion.
of taste like those chips we buy at the store that are the stair chips. I used to call them that.
The Ruffles?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. They do kind of taste like Ruffles. Oh, Bogart the chips over there. Give me some. Mmm. Yeah, those are sour cream and onion. Those are delicious.
I
All right.
could dye them.
The dang. Okay, this one's crunchy almond caramel covered in rich milk chocolate.
Tomorrow I'm gonna have those chips with my lunch.
Okay. I'll let you have some. Question for everybody's going out there. How do you pronounce the word caramel? Here in Texas, most we say caramel, C-A-R-M-E-L.
Some people
caramel.
say caramel.
Some people say caramel, caramel. Those are usually how they kind of work out there. Mmm, it's like toffee.
Coffee?
Toffee.
Oh.
Oh, those are delicious. Maybe Mommy would like that one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you'd love that. I'm not gonna be able to go to sleep tonight. I'm eating all this chocolate.
So we're doing just a little bit at a time.
All of these chocolates are like strips.
Make it a lot easier to eat.
That looks so good. Here.
Good.
And one. Ooh.
Thanks, sir. Oh, that looks so good.
Here.
Look all up in there in that texture.
You.
Okay.
Mmm.
It doesn't taste like Oreo, but it's so good.
It takes a minute for me to get the flavor.
It has kind of a strong aftertaste, but the initial flavor isn't really strong. Oh, that's good. That is really good. Chocolate filled with chocolate and vanilla cream. I guess that's technically what an Oreo actually is. But it might not be Oreo like the brand of Oreo that we have here specifically. I mean, it's the same logo, so.
You have a banana skids, and I'll have a banana skids.
The taffy.
I can't open this. Ah, there you go.
You get it?
Yeah, I got mine. Yeah, do you need help?
I appreciate the offer, but I think I got it.
Yep, this is taffy.
Yep. So this will pull all your teeth out.
Yeah.
Remove any fillings all nice and efficiently.
I don't know if I want that. Oh my gosh, I can't even get it out. It just sticks.
Just peel back the paper like that. Here, I trade you.
Okay.
You got it just fine. See? Mmm. Just keep on pulling. Mmm, mine is real good.
It's like gum. But
It's really thick taffy. That's really, really good though.
pull
Really?
my teeth out.
Good strong banana flavor. Love those. We gotta do one of the sour ones. So, do you want to do? I think we got 3 different sour. No, that's licorice. We'll do that one. Okay, do you want to do the Bjornar or the Gata and Blandet?
How about both?
Well, which one do you want to do first? Let's see. We got the little gummy bears and the little gummy worms.
Bears.
Do the bears. The bears. Okay.
Here,
You grab one. I'll grab one. Okay.
They're hard.
Let me have the other one here. Put these green in the paper.
Ooh, they smell sour. Oh,
No, they're not sour at all.
those are horribly sour.
They're sweet and sour. Either my taste buds have changed where I don't taste sour, or these aren't really. That's really good.
Oh, those are really sour. Well, these are probably gonna be even sour.
Even sourer.
If that's a word.
Well, those smell a little bit more sour than the last ones. Those do smell like the gummy worms and gummy snakes.
You can have that one.
Okie dokie.
Now a little skinny one.
Which one do you call? Gotti and Blandet. Okay, ready?
This looks like a little, like that game where you try to get it through the ball through the hole. Alright.
Oh my goodness. No, no. Okay, spit out. That's sour. Oh, my whole face is imploding. You just gotta chew fast. Ah.
And it's stuck in my teeth. My skin's crawling.
Oh man. Definitely sour. Definitely sour. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Nougat time.
Okay, we'll do that one and then we'll go ahead and end it there.
I don't think I want that again.
Okay, those taste really good, but they're kind of like, what do they have those? Those sour, they're like Sour Patch Kids a little bit. The outside is really sour, but the inside is really sweet. So the taste very good, but oh my, it was just sour. This is the nougat one. Yeah, and then we'll end it here. Got a pretty good selection of different flavors going on for this video. Need some assistance?
Yes. My lovely assistance.
You're my assistant.
Oh.
Oh, that's just really. Ooh, it smells like peanut butter. What is this thing? It's just called nougat, is it not? Yeah. Light and soft nougat combined with the layer of dark hazelnut nougat and a decadent chocolate snack.
This doesn't tear off.
Just bite a piece off.
Mmm. Mmm.
Oh, really soft.
Mmm.
Mmm.
It's almost liquid soft.
That is so good. Oops.
Now it seems like something you would like sit on the couch when you're sick and have soft.
Don't have to chew. Got a sore throat. That'll go down nicely. By Marabou.
I gotta have,
Marabou. nougat. All right then.
I need another bite.
Okay, you can have another bite. I'm not doing the outro here. All right, guys. Well, thanks for sticking around and watching us try all this awesome snacks from Sweden. Thank you to Snack Crate for sending it to us every month. We do appreciate it. And thank you guys, as always, for watching these videos because they're a lot of fun for us to do. It's a little bit outside the realm for what we normally do for the channel. But they're a whole lot of fun, so I do truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up on there because we do truly appreciate that.
Be sure to go to snackcrate.com.
And we're not sponsored by them, he's just being nice. So yes, leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. You guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next one.